Kain-kain, mga kaulam. Tayo ay may, yan, pritong talong na naman. Tapos, ako ang gumawa ng daing, tapos steam ako ng okra. Nabitin ako sa talong kahapon. Tapos may sausawan tayo, so toyo na may lemon. Kain po.
You have a spoon?
No. Bismillah.
I need two spoons.
Ang sa asawa ko, biryani.
My favorite biryani.
Yeah.
Maybe my grandmother from Bombay.
Mm-hmm. I will not use a spoon.
Oh?
Only you will use a spoon. I'm not from America.
Hmm?
Yeah.
I thought you are from California.
No.
I'm from Pennsylvania. Hmm? السلام عليكم. كيف الحال؟ شو الأخبار؟ Long time. We didn't see you. Kain tayo.
Only yesterday we had live.
Ah, yeah, I forgot.
But this
The
one is not live.
yesterday?
Yeah.
Why no live now?
I will go out. I will go out
You're
after
making
we eat.
late live. Why?
Not late, but I will go out after I eat.
Hmm?
Mm.
No, I want now live.
Mm-hmm.
No. Assalamu alaikum.
No, no, no.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kain tayo, everybody. Alika na dinner. Masarap sa date and yogurt.
Masarap ang talong.
Talong?
Mm.
Oil talong. But it's nice with khubuz. They say cook without oil. Cook without oil, no taste.
Mm.
How come? You can cook it without oil. But it's different.
Matanda na ito. Hmm?
Why this fish is open the mouth like that?
Because it's dry.
Maybe she cry when they cut his head.
Ano ba?
They catch her, yeah. Now everybody when they go vacation, you know,
Hmm?
they're going cold area. When they come here in the airport, they said your country is very hot. Like he's from Honolulu before. He didn't expect it. He went from this area and he said in the airport, your country very hot.
They are in Middle East. So, what do they expect?
The problem of the people, you know, you go cold area, again you will feel hot, you will come back. Yani is meaning you have to focus, fix yourself. Fix, F-E-E-S-O-R.
It's your food.
Because long time I didn't eat it. You have to fix your body. Tell your brain, they say, if you tell hot, you will not feel hot. Yeah. One time I think like that. That is hypnotism. Hypnotism. They say if you think about something and you try to accept it. Yani tell your mind. I don't know how to explain for the people to accept that thing, not about the heart, about anything. So it will come normal for you.
Yeah. Why?
Oh, chili.
Where is the chili?
They hide it inside, and I eat it. That is part of the hypnotism scientists. What is that? Hypnotism.
Hypnotist.
Yeah, I was very close, yeah? That is 75.6% answer. Correct.
Aywa.
They say too much Arabic people now in Manila.
Aywa.
Yeah. What they doing there?
Ano?
Yeah. They open restaurant, like Arabic community. But before, long time ago, I remember they said it's from Palestine. They're working taxi driver
Where?
in Manila. I didn't so, I don't know. Is correct news or no? Manila population is very high, yeah? Which area you was in when you were in college?
Sampaloc.
Which area that?
Manila.
Near airport? Near
No.
where? Far.
In Manila. Inside Manila.
Manila have beach to swim?
No.
But if you come from airplane up, you can see the beach near some water, something, yeah? Why you stay in that Sampaloc?
Near university.
Your university stay? Still
Yeah.
famous?
Number 1 for dentist in the world. It's in the Guinness Book of Record.
Why they go dentist for Baguio?
Cheap.
That's Sudan, I saw it in Baguio. He was in dentist, graduate already. And your university expensive, but you like dentist before, yeah?
No. I don't like. I don't have any course dream. I want to have business.
Right. You want to have business and no money? How come? Then don't think about the business if you don't have money. Because business is need money. Sometimes without money can work, but it's not. I don't know how. Business without capital is not easy, and you will lose more. What for me, I think business without money is you will have problem. Because business needs capital. Who is saying without capital cannot be? He's lying. Like the car without petrol. You see my example. Is correct? You can use car without gasoline.
Yeah, the Tesla.
But Tesla, how they put this what is electricity power? Of course, they are paying also. Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah. How it's free? You charge it, no? That charge. What you think? Free?
No.
Yes. Yeah.